हनुमान अति बलवान, राम नाम रसिया रे, प्रभु मन बसिया रे। वीर हनुमान
अति बलवान,
राम नाम रसिया रे, प्रभु मन बसिया रे, प्रभु मन बसिया रे, प्रभु मन बसिया रे। सीतापति रामचंद्र भगवान की जय, पवन पुत्र हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय। सभी लोग आसन लीजिए। एवरीवन प्लीज बी सीटेड। आप माइक मेक श्योर यू फेस इट। The one that she has. Okay, so if this one is her. little bit of tabla down. That's fine. Monitor. Fix it. Okay, just bring it down, please. That's all. Let us all please clasp our hands and close our eyes. As we contemplate the Divine Lord in our minds, according to our scriptures, we pray to the Divine in the form of Ganesh, Saraswati, Lakshmi, all the grahas and navagrahas. We ask for shanti and peacefulness in our minds, so that our minds can be receptive to the words of wisdom that are taken from the holy pages of the Sri Ramcharitmanas. Bhavani Shankaro Bande Shraddha Vishwasarupino Yabhyam Vinana Pashyanti Siddha Svatantistamishwaram Vande Bodhamayam Nityam Gurur Shankara Rupinam Yamasrito hi Bakro api Chandraha sarvatra vandate Chandraha sarvatra vandate Sita Rama Gunugrama Punyara Viharino Vande Vishuddhya Vigyano Kapishava Kapishwaro Kavishwara Kapishwaro Sri Ram Bolo Sri Ram Sri Ram Sri Ram Sri Ram Sri Ram. Let me take this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you here tonight. This, I believe, is the 10th night of this 14 nights of Ram Katha. Today being Tuesday, it is also a day very special to Hanumanji, and it's a tradition that we always do Hanuman Chalisa and we do Hanuman Puja. Hanuman Puja was done today. Our Katha today will be taken from Ayodhya Kand, and it relates to the devotee Goa, or the boatman. This was at the request of our Yajakarta. Rita in particular requested this Katha. But before I proceed with our Katha tonight, let me ask Kami, who we are very happy to see her here. It is quite a struggle for her to come and to be here with us, and she has a very ati sundar awaz hai. So let's listen to her. She will do first one bhajan. Whatever you would like to sing. Sunil, bhajan.
Bige haro hanu mana maha prabhu jo kach sankat hoye hamaro kaun so sankat more garib ko jo kach नहीं जाते तारो जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो महाराज जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो महाराज जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो महाराज शक्ति विराजे
मन भक्ति से वीणा।
जो जन तुम्हारे शरण विराजे,
जो जन तुम्हारी शरण में आए, दुख दरिद्र
हर लीना
हनुमत, दुख दरिद्र हर लीना।
जो कर जो हरज हनुमंता, जो कर जो हरज हनुमंता, कहियो प्रभु से
आज हनुमत, कहियो प्रभु से आज
हनुमत। जय 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 हनुमान गुसाई, कृपा करो महाराज।
जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो महाराज।
राम लखन वे देहि तुम पर, सदा रहे हर्षाये। राम लखन वे देहि तुम पर, सदा रहे हर्षाये। हृदय चीर से राम सिया का, हृदय चीर से राम सिया का, दर्शन दिया कराए हनुमत, दर्शन दिया कराए। दो कर जो हरज हनुमंता, दो कर जो हरज हनुमंता, कहियो प्रभु से आज हनुमत, कहियो प्रभु से आज हनुमत। जय 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 हनुमान
गोसाई,
कृपा करो महाराज। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो महाराज, कृपा करो महाराज, कृपा करो महाराज।
प्रेम सो सीतापति रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। एक भजन गाइए, राम भजन आपका फरमाइश है।
बोले सियापति रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। होता है सारा जमाना, प्रभु हमको भी तारो। तारा है सारा जमाना, प्रभु हमको भी तारो। तारा है सारा जमाना, प्रभु हमको भी तारो। हमको भी तारो प्रभु, हमको भी तारो। हमको भी हमको भी तारो श्याम, हमको भी तारो।
हमको भी तारो श्याम, हमको भी तारो।
ओ हमको भी तारो राम, हमको भी तारो। हमको भी
तारो राम, हमको भी तारो।
तारा है सारा जमाना, श्याम हमको भी तारो। तारो। मैंने सुना है तूने सुदामा को तारा, मैंने सुना है तूने सुदामा को, मैंने सुना है तूने सुदामा को तारा, मैंने सुना है तूने सुदामा को तारा, सुदामा को तारा अपने मित्र को तारा, सुदामा को तारा अपने मित्र को तारा, सुदामा का लेके बहाना श्याम हमको भी तारो, तारा है सारा जमाना राम हमको भी तारो। मैंने सुना है राम भिलनी को तारा, मैंने सुना है भिलनी को तारा, तूने शबरी को तारा, भिलनी को ओ भिलनी को तारा तूने शबरी को तारा, भिलनी को तारा तूने शबरी को तारा, बैरों का लेके बहाना राम हमको भी तारो, बैरों का लेके बहाना श्याम हमको भी, ओ तारा है सारा जमाना प्रभु हमको भी तारो, तारा है सारा जमाना प्रभु हमको भी तारो। मैंने सुना है तूने खेबट को तारा, मैंने सुना है तूने खेबट को तारा, तूने सेवक को तारा, खेबट को तारा तूने खेबट को तारा, तूने सेवक को तारा, खेबट को तारा तूने नैया का करके बहाना श्याम हमको भी तारो, नैया का करके बहाना राम हमको भी तारो, तारा है सारा जमाना राम हमको भी तारो, तारा है सारा जमाना राम। मैंने सुना है तूने द्रौपदी को तारा, मैंने सुना है तूने, मैंने सुना है तूने द्रौपदी को तारा, मैंने सुना है तूने चीर का करके बहाना राम हमको भी तारो, तारा है सारा जमाना शाम हमको भी तारो, तारा है सारा जमाना राम हमको भी तारो।
प्रेम सुसीतावरी रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। Last night, our katha was about the great devotee Sabri. Sabri represents to the world you and I, who are ordinary people, who through our devotion to God, that we are very close to that God. But although we may not have what may be considered quote unquote status in the world, status meaning, I need my help on the monitor please. Status meaning that I may not have $1 million in the bank, or I may not have 2 PhDs, or I may not drive a BMW, or I may not have a big house, or I don't wear the best and the most expensive clothes and jewelries, although some of us do all of these things. Because these are the status symbols of the materialistic world. But what are the status symbols of the spiritual world? How do we know when someone is wealthy because of the relationship to God versus wealth because of our attachment to materialism? It is very easy to identify someone who is wealthy in the materialistic world. All you have to do is do a Dun & Bradstreet, a credit check on them, and they'll either get a star rating or 0 rating, and you will know, well, they're financially well endowed or not. But then many of us believe that our relationship to God is shown on our good looks. Because we're good looking, because we are smiling with everybody, we must have a good relationship with God. That is also a materialistic status. But the status of our relationship to God is measured not by our looks or our appearance, but what is in our minds. And how do we know what is in someone else's mind? Only you and I know what is in our minds. And only you and I can determine clearly what is in our mind. And what is in our minds is usually expressed through our words and our actions. Thus, mansa, karma, vacha. From the mind comes the action, and then supported by the words, or the words supported by the action. In the katha that we presented tonight, we shall see another example of that ordinary human being, the people without the quote-unquote materialistic status symbols. And by the way, that is the largest population of the world that has over 8 billion people. I would say the chances are that 8.5 billion of them are without the materialistic status symbols. They are ordinary people who live ordinary lives and see God as being the giver of all things. Tonight again we shall hear the story of such a being. And what is the purpose of listening to such a story, or such a katha? It is that you and I can relate. Many a times when I present my pravachan or message or sandesh, people have said to me, Panditji, you were talking to me. And I said, really I wasn't, I was talking to everybody. But the objective is, if what we read you can relate to, then it has value. But if you cannot relate to it, then you will find no value. Thus, our katha tonight is intended to relate to reality. Here is a scenario. The Divine Lord, Bhagavan Vishnu, takes avatar, and he has descended to the earthly abode. He is coming to the home of Raja Dasrath. Mangala Bhavana, Mangala Hari, Mangala Bhavana, Mangala Hari, Dravavut Dasrath Ajara Vihari.
दशरथ अजर बिहारी।
श्री राम जय राम जय जय
राम श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम।
That Lord, Bhagavan Vishnu, is taken avatar in human form and he comes in the home of the king Dasrath, where he together with Bharat, Shatrughan, Lakshman represent the full force of the divine. And in this Ram avatar, he is now playing the Leela, Ram Leela. He is in the play of human endeavors. He's showing us that to live in this world of his, it is very simple. But although it is simple to live, it is a complex world. Now, how many of you have ever done a crossword puzzle? Put your hands up if you did. Some don't put your hands here, put your hands here. Up if you did a crossword puzzle before. You never did a crossword puzzle? We got to get some of you to do this. Okay. Now, you know when you get all the pieces and they show you the picture and you see you have 500 pieces to make this picture looks, oh boy, impossible. And then you start, it takes you days, some people it takes months, and some people every day. And then finally some little child comes and says, let me show you how to do this. Look, mom, there it is. Oh, that's simple, huh? Yeah. You feel kind of silly. But afterwards, when you look at the picture that was created, if you were to dismantle it again and throw all the pieces, do you think you can put it back together quickly? The answer is no. The answer is no. Life is complicated. It takes time to put the pieces together, and when you've got the pieces together, keep it together. When you have the pieces together, do not do things to dismantle it again, because it will be just as difficult, even sometimes more difficult, to put it together again. So the concept that Bhagavan has come to the earth to live a life of human status, to show us how to navigate this complex world simple. Now, how many of us understand what I mean by navigate? How many of us have traveled on the oceans? On cruise ships, many of us have been. How many of you have been on a cruise before? Put your hands up. Prema? Okay, right, okay. Everybody. Dee, you didn't put your hand up? You're on a mandir. Have you been on a cruise before? Put your hands up. Now, you imagine those big ships navigating in these vast oceans, and they tell you in 2 hours we shall leave Miami and we shall be in Bahamas. And they say, show me, right? Yeah, it's all ocean. But they are able to chart a course and zoom, 2 hours, you're in Bahamas. They have a navigation instrument, a compass, accompanied by radar and other things. That they plot a course and they don't even hold the steering wheel anymore. They plot a course and say program and it goes. If it was so easy to do, if you could plot a course for human life and just tell everybody, press that button and let life go. That's the only thing we have not able to program yet. How you and I can program life that we follow the right pathway, that we will get where we want to go and be happy at the same time. So our katha is about you and I. The human race who cannot press a button and program the course, because there are so many pathways to get to Bahamas. The Bahamas of that heavenly Bahamas, that place of peace and quietude. And by the way, I'm not talking about that Bahamas. You know, when you go to the Bahamas, it's not a place of peace and quietude. The people there are after your money. They want you to spend money and you're tired by the time you walk the day and you come back on the cruise ship, you just want to rest. I'm not talking about that place. I'm talking about the place where you live life every day and you get tired because you worked hard, and when you sleep and you wake up in the morning, you feel good about yourself because you know what, you've worked hard, you've earned everything, and you're thankful for God's grace. Many of us say, Panditji, you don't know how life is difficult. Oh, how often I've heard this story, Natarajan. How often I've heard this story, and when people are telling me this story, I say, hold on a minute, let me get my violin so I can play some music. Because they're singing the same song, oh Panditji, life is tough, oh God, you don't know how much I have to do, you know, all my troubles. And I say, hold on a minute. No, 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 no. You know anybody like that? Don't put your hands down, please. If you are like that, then listen to this katha. Because it's important for you to understand that we sing the song of the life we have made, not one we have made, anybody has made for us. Our katha is about the boatman. You know why I was talking about trips to the Bahamas? But he didn't have a cruise ship. He had a little boat. Sant Goswami Tulsidas tells us that Prabhu Sri Ramchandra Bhagwan is coming to the hermitage of this boatman that we call Goha. And here is what happens.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Rama, Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Rama. यह सुदूर निषाद जब पाई, मुदित लिए प्रिय बंधु बोलाई। श्री राम जय जय रामा, श्री राम जय जय रामा। लिए फल मूल भेद बरी भारा, श्री राम जय जय रामा। लिए फल मूल भेद बरी भारा, श्री राम जय जय रामा। मिलन चले हरि पिया पारा, श्री राम जय जय रामा। श्री राम जय जय रामा, श्री राम जय जय रामा।
Most of us who are in this mandir tonight have roots in some other country than Canada. And most of us have roots in a farming community. That is, our parents were farmers. The truth of the matter is, all our parents, foreparents, somewhere farming was part of our lives. Is that true?
Yeah.
Good. And if you envision, if you can go back that far, and that you are in the farming community, and then someone of great status is coming to your community to visit. Now you are being farming community, you live by farming, you plant your crops, you sell them, and whatever you are subsistence farming. That gold and money is not your currency exchange. You give this one some plantain, they give some cassava, you give them some bodi, they give you some bora, or you exchange vegetables and life goes on. And now this great guest, this very, very renowned individual is coming, and everybody is going to meet them, but we are told when you are meeting people, you must take something for them. So what are you going to take to give to this person? You're a farmer, and you live in subsistence farming. What would you carry with them?
Basket of fruits.
Kya? Crafts? Food basket? Whatever you plan. Give the lady a big hand, please. Because this is what I have, my Lord. This is what I have. In ancient time, that is exactly what used to happen. When a Swami or a Guru or a teacher or a king or a monarch would come to visit the villages, they would bring as gifts what they have earned from their own sweat and blood. Because that is their most precious gift. What they have earned through their sincere hard work. Thus, Prabhu Sri Ramchandra is now approaching this gaon, this village where Goha, the Nishad